Airport history demonstrates human ingenuity and sky-gazing. Airports' metamorphosis from lonely airstrips to tech-savvy metropolises is astonishing. This expansion features milestones, technology, and aviation pioneers. Airports have grown from aviation dreams to global centers. How has the historical evolution of airports been? Airport history is intriguing and has changed considerably. Technical advances, airport landmarks, and famous people. Early 1900s airports took off and landed planes. London's 1919 Hounslow Heath was the first international airport. Civil aviation development, post-war aviation upgraded airports worldwide. Airports have grown due to technology, aviation, and major infrastructure builders. The industry adapts to passenger needs and new concerns. Key events in airport history shaped them. Airport landmarks. At Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers performed the first controlled and automated flight on December 17, 1903. Modern aviation and airport infrastructure followed. Hub development. In the 1950s, hub and spoke airports increased air traffic management and aircraft connection. Santa Monica Airport was the first asphalted in 1923. The TSA and increased airport security after September 11th. These airport milestones show aviation's growth and airport infrastructure's importance to global travel. Aviation adapts to society and electronics. Example: the historical evolution of an airport. Los Angeles International Airport shows airport evolution. Time has improved LAX. History summary. LAX was founded in 1928 as Mines Field Landing Field. The landing field was first utilized for military and sports aviation. 1930s, renamed Los Angeles Municipal Airport for commercial flights. Airports and landing lanes were improved for commercial flights. More structures were created for World War II military operations at LAX. Commercial airport LAX thrived post-war. Airports and infrastructure were expanded to accommodate airline growth and passenger demand. LAX added terminals and the theme building control tower in the 1960s. The satellite terminal used driverless trains to transport passengers between terminals this decade. Development. LAX grew and changed. Adding runways, security, and air traffic control and passenger comfort technology. Sustainability. LAX reduced carbon emissions and upgraded tech. Environmentally friendly methods and solar panels were built. Future projects. LAX is expanding Terminal 9, improving land transit, and building a rail terminal. LAX grew become a big airport. From landing pad to major aviation and travel airport, LAX has grown. Example of the technological advances of airports. Technology has greatly improved airport efficiency, safety, and passenger satisfaction. Airport technology like GNSS improves navigation and flying efficiency. Satellites connect planes and controllers remotely. Modern radars improve air traffic safety and accuracy. ATC systems increase flight safety by managing air traffic. For passenger safety in hand luggage hazard identification, X-ray and metal detectors. Biometrics and facial recognition accelerate passport clearance, boarding, and security. Robotics and scanning eliminate luggage handling and tracking delays. Mobile apps and self-service quizzes. Airport travelers can check in, examine flight information, and access services via phones or kiosks. Free and fast Wi-Fi connects travelers. Individual passenger screens and streaming. RFID real-time luggage tracking and management. Fleet and logistics. Trailers and supply trucks improved airport operations. Green technology, waste management, renewable energy, and green technologies reduce airport emissions. Access control and safety automation, facial and iris recognition for sensitive areas. The PMS improves terminal operations and passenger pleasure. These technologies have made airports safer, more convenient, and more efficient for passengers and the aviation industry. Airports must adapt to shifting traveler tastes and operational needs as technology improves. Example of the notable figures that shaped the airport sector. Several influential people created and developed the airport sector. These people advanced technology, managed well, and supported civil aviation. Notable figures. The Wright brothers Orville and Wilbur made the first controlled, motorized flight in 1903. Modern airport and aviation infrastructure was enabled by it. One Trip, Pan Am founder Tripp encouraged commercial aviation worldwide. Amelia Earhart, an aviation pioneer, promoted gender equality. Fame inspired future aviators. Howard Hughes, pilot and aerospace and aviation entrepreneur. Howard Hughes shaped civil and commercial aviation. The Wright brothers' sister Katerina encouraged aviation. Spanish engineer and inventor Juan de la Cierva invented the helicopter precursor autogyro. His work advanced vertical flight. Charles Lindbergh, his 1927 solo transatlantic flight promoted aviation safety and efficiency. Fred Smith, FedEx founder Smith modernized aircraft logistics and parcel delivery. Alec Broers, British engineer who invented airport security X-ray scanners and metal detectors. These and other aviation and airport figures have affected civil and commercial aviation technology, operation, and promotion worldwide. His work shaped the industry. Highlight real-world examples and case studies about historical evolution of airports. Certainly, these case studies reveal airport history. USA, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, ATL. Hartsfield-Jackson Case Study. ATL, Atlanta International Airport, shows how smart planning and growth can evolve airports. It has been the world's busiest airport for decades. Multiple phases of ATL evolution can be studied. ATL was founded as a municipal airport in 1926. It extended its runways and facilities in the 1950s to meet rising air travel demand. Phase 2, 1960s to 1970s. The Atlanta Terminal Complex, now Terminal South, was a major 1960s milestone. Phase 3, 1980s. Present Terminal North and the Underground Automated People Mover, APM, were built in the 1980s. Since then, ATL has expanded, upgraded technology, and added Concourse T. Takeaway: ATL's case study emphasizes airport evolution's need for adaptation and preparation. Its strategic location and ongoing passenger service have made it a major worldwide center. Hong Kong International Airport, HKG, Hong Kong. Case study: Hong Kong International Airport, HKG, is an example of how ambitious engineering and land reclamation can transform a region's aviation capabilities. The case study can be examined through several key phases. Phase 1, 1990s. HKG was built on Chek Lap Kok Island, which required massive land reclamation. The airport was designed to handle the world's largest aircraft, the Airbus A380. Phase 2, 2000s. The construction of Terminal 2 and the Midfield Concourse expanded HKG's capacity further. Phase 3, 2020s. Ongoing projects, such as the 3-runway system, 3RS, continue to shape HKG's evolution. Key takeaway: HKG demonstrates how innovative engineering and meticulous planning can lead to the creation of a major international airport in a challenging geographical context. In conclusion, the development of airports throughout history is both an illustration of humanity's innovation and of the persistence with which we pursue progress. This course has been distinguished by creativity, entrepreneurialism, and a strong desire to bring together people from all over the world. From the shaky beginnings of powered flight to the crowded airports of the modern day, this journey has been marked by innovation and an entrepreneurial spirit at every step of the way. This adventure started off with a powered flight. The airport of the future will surely continue to evolve, integrating novel technologies and adopting a strategy that is more sensitive of its impact on the ecosystem that it is a part of in order to meet the ever-evolving demands of passengers and society as a whole. This will be necessary in order for the airport to be able to satisfy the requirements of passengers and society as a whole.